Mattituck Locksmith. Twinforks Locksmith, serving Mattituck, New York, 11,952. John resides in Mattituck, New York, and finds himself locked out of his house. John is unsure of what locksmiths serve the area, quickly and cheap. With a simple search, John finds Twinforks Locksmith, and with one simple call a technician is now just minutes away. 1. Quick response. 2. Best prices around. 3. Friendly technicians. John is amazed. Within 20 minutes he is back in his home and can resume his daily activites. Visit our website at www.twinforkslocksmith.com.